and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to DriveHub. All is good in the world. It's nice to have nothing but good things to say for once. The C5 Corvette has been running flawlessly. The harmonic balancer hasn't unscrewed itself and left me stranded on the side of the highway. And it's even sitting proper and beautiful, all lowered on the VMS Racing bolts. It's fantastic. Just besides the fact that I can't get into it. Whew, gosh damn, it's hot as Mia Khalifa in here. So obviously there's something wrong with this key fob. I mean, I'm pretty clumsy and this thing's been dropped more times than I was as a child, but I'm 99% positive that I'm not the first person on earth to have their key fob for their C5 Corvette go bad. And yes guys, I know I'm not the sharpest tool in the shed, but I did already pull the battery back out, put a new one in, and see if it worked, and that didn't do it. I'm dumb, I'm not that dumb. And yes, I also tried to reprogram this thing, because programming one of these keys is actually very, very simple with the C5 Corvette. If a thumb like me can do it, any of you guys are gonna be golden. And reprogramming a key yourself is much, much cheaper than going to the dealership or going to a shop, so it's absolutely primo for a cheapo like me. So I actually got two new key fobs that look absolutely identical to the factory GM C5 Corvette key fob on Amazon. I got these things on Amazon for $17 for two of them. I'll include a link for them down in the description below so you can check them out. And there's actually instructions on how to program these keys on their website, www.remotes.com. Very clever, but I'm sure their instructions don't hold a candle to what I'm about to teach you. Be sure to stay tuned all the way to the end of the video to find out if these cheap Amazon key fobs work on such a high performance machine as the C5 Corvette. Alright, so first things first, we're gonna turn the car on. And that's it, we're all set. I'm just kidding. Alright, we're gonna turn the radio off. When it boots up, I have an aftermarket radio and I'm not even sure how to shut this thing off. Oh dear. Jeez, someone must have hacked my phone or something. I think, there we go, display off, I think that counts. So then we're gonna go over here into the DIC controls and we're gonna hit reset to clear any messages that might be up. Luckily my Vette is running like a top and there's no messages. Besides the check engine light, of course, but shh, it's not the point. Okay, so then we're gonna hit options, which is number 4, until the screen goes blank. All right, it's blank. So once we hold the reset button down for like 5 seconds, it'll say fob training on the screen. Okay, so now the screen says fob training. That means the computer is ready to accept a new fob. So now we hit reset. It says hold lock and unlock first fob. So then we're gonna take one of our new fobs, hold the lock and unlock button. All right, perfect. It says first fob learned. Now it says hold, lock, and unlock second fob. We're gonna take our second fob because as I said, this one comes with 2 fobs. You know what I like to say? 2 is always better than 1, especially if we're talking about inches. Hold, lock, and unlock second fob. There we go, second fob learned. Now you can program up to 3 of these. Unfortunately, I came up short again and only have 2. But on the screen, it'll say hold, lock, and unlock third fob. In this case, I don't have a third fob, so we can go ahead and just shut the car off. And now we can test and see if our new fobs work. The new fob's out here. Let's give it a whirl. Unlocks it. Locks it back up. Sweet, fob number 1 is working. Fob number 2. Wow, unlock. Lock, would you look at that? All right guys, well, surprise, surprise. The cheap $17 Amazon key fobs actually work to unlock the C5 Corvette, and it took about 5 minutes to do. So as I said, if a thumb like me can do this, then you guys absolutely can. Again, I'll include links down in the description below for the replacement key fobs that I used from Amazon. Again, 17 bucks, you get 2 of them, and as you saw from the video, they actually work. So if this video helped you out, then be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content with the C5 Corvette, but I will see you guys in the next video. Happy motoring.